was a little bee. Right when I start the video. Right when I start the video, a little ass bee flew across. It scared me. But anyway, hello. Today is March 20th. On a cute little walk before the sky opens up. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's kind of questionable up there. We bought some G's. We just got like the new pack-in, so we have like some new carts. This is kiwi. What is that?
Grape
you
Galaxy.
Can't even see it.
Grape Galaxy.
The Grape Galaxy.